This is our DP. So this car door handle, I spray painted that yesterday afternoon. So today I'm going to spray paint the rear car door handle. So this is what I need to do this project. I need a piece of cardboard, any cardboard. I need some tape. Of course, the peel coat glue and some junk mail. So the first thing that I need to do to start this process is to lock the car door. Now the car is locked, and see, this one is locked. Then the second thing that I need to do is to get some tape ready, some small piece of tape. Then the third thing that we're gonna be using is a piece of junk mail. Then we're gonna pull the door handle. As we pull the door handle, and then we're gonna slide the piece of the junk mail into the door handle frame and the door. And then we release the door handle, and then we're gonna use a piece of tape to tape the piece of junk mail. I will just finish up with the masking process. As you can see, and even right in the middle of the door handle, just a piece of junk mail. It's not even taped. Now for the fourth process, this is when we're gonna clean the door handle. So we got a piece of cloth, and then we got some soapy water. We are cleaning the door handle, removing the. Okay. Now it's time to bring in the. So this is the first coat. We're gonna let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we come back with the second coat. We're going for the third and final coating. So we're just finishing up with the third coating. It's time for us to unmask the area. So we're going from last to first. I'm trying to remember which one I put. This is the final product. We just spray paint the car door handle without any special tools, just some junk mail, some tape, and a peel coat spray can. This is our DP, and I hope that you like this video. Again, remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos and more giveaways. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.